So today I'd like to talk about a rule situation that we get questioned about a lot. It has to do with the steps that are in our bunkers. So the steps are immovable obstructions. So you get free relief from the steps, whether or not your ball is in the bunker or out of the bunker. You always get relief from these immovable obstructions. So there's a couple different situations here. First of all, you can see I have a ball right here on the steps. So yes, I do get relief from this. And the way that you would proceed is you would find your nearest point of relief that's no closer to the hole where you're not interfered by the obstruction. So in that situation, my nearest point of relief it's no closer to the hole. We'll say the hole is just on the front part of the green here. My nearest point of relief is going to be right about here. So mark that spot with the T. And then I can measure one club length. I have my driver here. Measure one club length, no closer to the hole. So anywhere within this whole section would be an acceptable relief area. So then take your ball, drop it from knee height. Now that ball is in play and I'm no longer interfered with by the obstruction. Another example would be if your ball is right here. Well, for me to play this shot, I'm going to have to stand on this step. Again, I can go ahead and play it if I want. Say I have a really good lie, I don't mind standing on the step. I can play it if I prefer to, but I don't. I'd rather not have to stand on the step to play this shot. So you would find your nearest point of relief where your stance is not interfered by that step. So say right about here. Put your club right about where that spot would be. Mark it with a T. And then again, measure your club length. You can use your driver. Anywhere within this space, it's no closer to the hole from where the ball originally lays. And again, take your drop. So now that ball's in play. I'm no longer interfered with by the obstructions. So another question we get is, okay, my ball's lying right here. Is my ball in the bunker there? How do I take relief there? Well, the border of the bunker, what you would do, imagine a line going from this edge to this edge here. That would be the border of the bunker. So where that ball lies, it's not in the bunker. So that means that I would find my nearest point of relief. That's not closer to the hole. So again, the hole's over here. So my nearest point of relief is going to be right about here. And again, mark that point with a T. Measure your one club length. No closer to the hole, and you can see here, I can drop it anywhere in this space here. So in this situation, I'm going to go ahead and drop it up here on the fringe of the green, because that's going to be a much easier shot than on the side of a hill. Unfortunately, I got a bad bounce and that ball's in play, but you can see where you can use the rules to your advantage to get yourself in a better position. Again, if this ball was, say, right here, again, I'm interfered by these immovable obstructions right here. So I would find my nearest point of relief, which is going to be, say, right about here. And again, measure one club length, no closer to the hole from where that ball is. So if the hole is right over here, again, my one club length is going to be probably in this area here. Again, it's on the side of the hill here. So just drop. And now that ball's in play. So hopefully that answers some of the questions you have about how to proceed when your ball is interfered by an immovable obstruction like the steps in the bunker. Always feel free to give us a call in the golf shop when we're open again, or send me an email if you have any other questions.